does this mean in terms of FP&A and what is the transformation? I think I've recently seen a survey where the question was asked, what is finance transformation? And one of the options was, who knows? And that was actually the option that was most selected. So I think it is a bit of a foreign concept, and it is something that we maybe need to just spend a little bit of time to unpack. So research is showing that the Office of Finance is changing fundamentally. Finance 2.0 is a shift from doing the traditional finance activities to becoming more value-added strategic business partners to our organizations. For this discussion today, we're going to focus on three key concepts that's influencing this change within finance. The first being the role of the CFO will change, and it is changing. CFOs will become more strategic. They'll be spending less time in traditional finance functions. The second to this is that digital transformation will be the enabler to allow the Office of Finance to become more strategic. And the game changer for finance would be the application of automation and artificial intelligence. Finance teams that embrace this will differentiate themselves as being the leaders in this space. And this is the exciting part. We will have this capability and we can apply this technology to enhance what we do and create more value within our organization. I think if we look at FP&A traditionally, it's really been focused on the process, getting data, consolidating it, putting it into the reporting view that we need, and then delivering it to our stakeholders. And I think going forward, that's going to change significantly. Planning is going to be focusing on the data that it's creating instead of managing, or FP&A is going to be focusing on the data that's been created during that process, and it's going to be less about the process. So it's more going to be focusing on what we can get as an output, the insights that we could generate from that, and less about the process of getting it done at this point. I think if you look at what the research is saying is that by 2024, 70% of FP&A projects will become extended planning and analysis